Hey, it's TAC Pack Tuesday. Sorry, this one's a little late. Unfortunately, when this came in, I ended up going to the hospital. So, I am much better now. And let's get on with this month's TAC Pack Tuesday. So, I'm actually very excited about this TAC Pack. There's some products in here that I think are very, very good. And the plus product, which is obviously the med pack here, I'm going to go over last. But let's start off with the very first item. The very first item is this B5 System Vertical Grip. Now, this is actually kind of a neat little grip. I really, really like the texture on this grip. This gives a 12-degree angle forward grip on your AR platform. I'm going to open it up really quick and just kind of describe how it feels. It easily attaches to your forward grip. And it's got the hardware inside. There's your bolts and everything to connect it to your... I'm like, oh my God, I really love that, how that feels. The stippling on this is on 4 sides, and it just feels really, really good. So as a forward grip on your platform, this is really, really nice. I like it a lot. Let's put this back in here, because if we don't, I'll lose it. And then when I'm looking for it, I will absolutely lose it because I can't find the hardware. But I'm excited about this. This is absolutely going on one of my systems. It's going to be great. Next up is one of my favorite things. I use these all the time. This is the Birchwood cloth. This leaves a really nice long protective film on wood, plastic surfaces, 100% cotton flannel cloth, pure silicone, and then packaged in this convenient reusable bag. Now, I wipe down all my guns with one of these and just clean off the fingerprints, clean off the oil, and then make sure that everything is fantastic. The Conhex brush attachment method can better push, pull, turn right, and turn left, something no other chamber brush on the market can do. We are so excited about using this and trying this out. This looks extremely well built, and we will be doing a full 100% review of this product. We've heard a lot of good things about it, and we're going to try it out. Now, let's talk about the axe. This is a great addition to your bug out bag. It's crafted from 420 stainless steel. This has a full tang axe, blends durability and precision. The 3-inch axe blade is razor sharp, and we will be testing that. This also has a mallet, and it also has a stake remover. So for camping out in the outdoors, this is going to be really, really useful. We will be doing a full review on this, talking about the texture, how well it works. And believe it or not, a lot of the times they usually come with really crappy sheaths. We'll be checking that out as well. Looking forward to playing with this. This is our tactical blue healer. So this is a cool little sticker. Like always, later on in the year, we will be raffling off pretty much all the stickers. We may keep 1 or 2 for ourselves, but for the most part, we get rid of the stickers. Now, here is something I'm really excited about. Boom! Out of the bag. We have done reviews before because as a plus item, we've actually gotten a May Tac IFAK. This one's a little different. So this one was custom made specifically for TAC Pack. I have done in the past a May Tac review with a paramedic and an EMT, buddies of mine, and we talked about the kit itself. What's unique about this kit, and I have to tell you one thing right off the bat. In that review, I tell you you should always keep your medic bags either red or bright orange. When they're black or camouflaged, they get lost with the rest of your gear. If I tell you to go to my car and grab my medic bag, the red bag is going to stand out much faster than a black or camouflage bag. And when you really need these bags, those seconds count. This is awesome. It's nice and red and easy to follow. But let's talk about the fact that this was custom made between TAC Pack and My Medic. They have had a long-lasting relationship with My Medic. This one is their FAK 2.0. This has 20 packs of 1x3 bandages, MODS covering gauze, burn, blister, topical, sprain plus fracture, as well as a space blanket. CPR shield, which is really great. 2-inch elastic bandages, triangle bandages, 4x5 cold packs, nitrate gloves, cloth surgical tape, 1x10 yards, Stay Alive guide card, 2 packs of Z-Zips, compressed gauze, plus the EP4 4-inch. These are fantastic kits. I really like them. We have met a couple of other manufacturers of medical bags, and we'll be doing reviews of those in the near future. But one of the things I like about these is my red and orange and black are right here. My green, blues, and teal are right there. And then my purples are out here in the back. So everything's kind of color-coded. And one of the other things I really, really like is if you look on the back, there's always a QR code that tells you about the item in the bag and how to use it. Something that My Medic does, and I highly appreciate it. But there is one thing, looking at this, that it absolutely 100% needs, and that's a tourniquet pack. Now, this came in one of our last few TAC packs, and it's going right into this kit because everything that it needs when you're at the range, you need that tourniquet pack. So I'm going to be putting that in there. We hope you enjoyed this. Look for the individual reviews of the different items coming up shortly. But this was a great TAC pack. A lot of really useful, good items in here. And we will see you for the next TAC Pack Tuesday.